What up, Wonder?
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove your rear speakers from your Chevrolet Aveo 2006, and I think it's also suitable for 2004 and 2005 models. Hope you enjoyed the process. Right now you're seeing the speakers and I'm going to show you how to reach for them. First, lift the back seat on both sides. Use a little strength.
What up, Wonder?
There are 3 bolts that hold the backrest. Use a 12mm socket wrench to remove the bolts.
What up, Wonder?
After removing the bolts, don't try pulling the backrest, just lift it up.
What up, Wonder?
Remove the carpet clips. Don't try to remove them with your hands. I already broke one, as you can see. You can use a fork to remove them really easily. Lift the carpet from the middle, and then go ahead and lift the sides.
What up, Wonder?
Basically, we are finished with the complicated part, and now we can reach to the rear speakers. I decided to show you a little extra, and I'm letting you to see how I replaced my speakers. I decided to break the previous speakers connectors and attach them to the new speakers by soldering. Pay attention to positive and negative before you start soldering.